Import your clips with the beats into the project. Make sure that the first picture and second picture are on the same ratio. Go to the first one, go to Move and Transform, and scale it down. Now go to the other picture and scale it down, the same. Now click on the first picture, go to Effects and add Flip Layer. Add angle keys at the start and end, and on the end type in 90. Scroll down until you see Light Source. Click on the triangle on the left and switch on Enable Lighting. Make the shine 0. Now go back to Angle and add this graph. Copy the curve. Now click on the 3 dots again and click Enable Overshoot. And pull the bottom knob down. Go to the second picture and add Flip Layer here. Add angle keys at the start and end. And on the first keyframe, type in -90. Scroll until you see Light Source and click on the triangle again and enable the lighting. Make the shine 0. Now go back to Angle. Click on 3 dots and click Paste Curve, and now click on this button. Now that you're done, select both of the pictures and click on the first grouping option. Go to the group and go to Blending and Opacity and add 2 keyframes. On the first keyframe, make the opacity 0. And then add this graph. Now go to the group again, click Move, Transform, and add rotation keys at the start and end of the group. On the end, make it -3 degrees, and at the start, make it +4. And here, add a mid graph. Now go to the start of the entire project and add a text. Make the spacing in the middle, and now add your font. Go to Color and Fill and make it white, and now zoom the text in. After adjusting the duration of the clip, move it underneath the group. And now, on the text, add text transform. Go to Range and add start keyframes at the start and second beat. The second beat should be in the middle of the group. On the second keyframe, type in 100. And then add this graph. Now, go to Transform And on the alpha, type in -1. Now go to interpolation and easing, and for ease in, increase it to 100%, and for ease out, decrease it to -100%. And lastly, switch on the random order. Now at the start of the project, add a rectangle. Click on Edit Shape and adjust the size. Make sure that the Y is increased to at least 680. Now go to Color and Fill and adjust the colors. Adjust the duration of the rectangle. Now go to Effects and add White. Make sure the angle is on 90. Now, add start keyframes of the start and second beat. At the start, increase it. And then, add this graph and copy it for later. Now you can go to Move and Transform and add just the rotation of the rectangle. And the start wipe. Move this rectangle underneath the group. Now duplicate the rectangle. And copy the wipe. Now adjust the rectangle duration. Make sure it starts on the first beat, where the group starts. Now move this rectangle on top of the group and adjust the color. Now paste the wipe and make sure that the keyframes are from start to end. And now adjust the rotation of the rectangle in the position. And you're done. At the start of the project, add a rectangle. Click on the 3 dots and click Thick Composition Area. Adjust the duration of this rectangle, and then select every layer and click on the second grouping option. Now on the group, add scale keys on the first beat and end. And on the end, zoom your group in a little bit. And now, paste the mid-graph. Now you can add your shake and effects.